Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the SINGER M1500 lightweight and portable sewing machine, a versatile tool perfect for quilting, crafts, and mending. With 57 stitch applications, including straight, zigzag, blind hem, and decorative scallop stitches, this machine is designed to handle a variety of sewing techniques effortlessly. The easy stitch selection dial and preset stitch length and width make it ideal for beginners, eliminating any guesswork. Its 4-step buttonhole feature ensures you can create buttonholes of any size with ease, while the quick and easy threading guides simplify setup. Built with a full metal frame, the SINGER M1500 promises stability and long-lasting durability, complemented by the bright StayBright LED lighting that illuminates your workspace. The front-loading bobbin system and included accessories like presser feet, needles, and a seam ripper make starting your projects a breeze. Plus, the removable storage compartment reveals a free arm, perfect for sewing cuffs, collars, and hems, making this machine a must-have for any sewing enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.